Mrs. Sexton,
Miss Haddle, look at all these cute turtles.
do you know what we call these videos when we're talking to each other?
Turtle videos?
Turtle Tube Tuesday.
Oh, yeah.
And Mrs. Sexton, I see turtles here and they look so happy to see you.
They're so cute. I love them.
Yeah.
But I don't get it.
Okay, that's okay. So just tell me what does the question say? Just the first part.
It says these picture of little turtles. Well, let me see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If 7 pictures of cute baby turtles stands for 56 turtles, how many turtles do 1, 2, 3, 4 cute turtles stand for?
Wow. So Mrs. Sexton, what I see first here is each turtle does not represent one turtle.
Okay.
Because if each turtle meant one turtle, then we would have 56 turtles right here.
And that would be way too many to fit on this video.
Right? And I just can't draw that many turtles. It will take up the whole screen.
Yes, you're right.
So sometimes when we see symbols in everyday life, like when you are driving and you see a red octagon, what do you know?
I have to stop.
And it's a symbol that means something. It means stop.
Yes.
So this turtle and this turtle, these are all symbols for something that means something besides one.
Okay. So
Okay.
those turtles do not mean one turtle.
No, but when we
Okay.
look at them, we need to find out what this is symbolic of, what this is trying to tell us. We see symbols on pictographs all the time, and the reason why most people use them is a space saver. Because if we can skip count by a certain amount using a picture to represent it, then we don't have to take up all the room drawing.
Oh, that makes sense. So, like, if each turtle was 2, then that would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 turtles if each turtle meant 2. But that can't be the right answer because that's not 56.
Because we need to get
yeah.
50. Well, Mrs.
Okay.
Sexton, I like that strategy, and students absolutely can try guessing and checking with numbers that that equal 56. What we know for sure is that our whole is how many turtles?
56 turtles.
Yeah. So here's 56 turtles, and we know that these are symbols of something. So if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 turtles really mean 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I do that right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If 7 turtles really mean 56 turtles, then we need to know what each turtle symbolizes. What times 7 equals 56?
Oh, I know. It's 8 times 7 equals 56.
Let's try. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. Mrs. Sexton, each of these turtles represents what number?
8.
So you're 8, and 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 you're 8. So each turtle is 8. So if each turtle is 8, how many turtles does 1, 2, 3, 4 symbols represent?
Oh, that's 4 8s. Like I could write an 8 on each turtle
4
and know that's 4 times 8 or 4 8s. And that's equal to 8, 16, 24, 32. That's 32.
Oh my goodness, I need to write a sentence.
So
Let
that
me
many
see.
turtles actually stands for 32 turtles.
Let me get my finger back. Here we go. Mrs. Sexton, you're making me so proud with just how you're understanding this concept. It's different. I don't know how to do this. Okay. Oh my goodness, boys and girls. Here we go. Let's move our work to the side. Will that help? Bye-bye, turtles.
Perfect. I think you have room now.
Great. We're going to go back to our pen. And I like to pick darker colors because I can never see these things on my whiteboard. So, 4 turtles Stand for.
Stand for, you're right. Subject verb agreement.
Stand for 30. Excuse me. Stand for 32 turtles. So we're talking about symbols in the same way. In the same way that a stop sign means stop. Each of these turtles represents 8. So 4 turtles represents 32.
Perfect.
Sorry about that. It wasn't letting me write my letters. Mrs. Sexton?
Yeah.
We teach the smartest humans on the West Coast.
That we do.
Do you think they need a teacher high five? Give a teacher high five.
Absolutely. Let's give them one.
Let's do it.
Okay, scholars, here's your teacher high five problem.
Whoop, whoop.
It's about my favorite sport,
What's that?
basketball. Go Kings. So it says if these basketballs, 1, 2, 3 basketballs, stand for 27 basketballs, how many basketballs do these stand for?
Oh my goodness, Mrs. Hebert's gonna check your dribbling.
Ooh.
How about those Lakers?
Don't talk about that.
Don't talk about that.
Don't talk about those Lakers. It's okay. I still love you, even if you are a Lakers fan, guys.
All right. Miss Huddle does too.
Yep.
Yep, we love you. We hope you have a great night solving this problem.
Make sure that you write it down and give a teacher high five. Give a teacher high five. Make sure you write it down so that we can see your work.
Yep, if you say you did it at home and you lost it, we can't give
Tough
you a...
bananas, teacher high five.
Have a great night.
You too.